School discipline that you should follow. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the essentials principles and practices that schoolgirls can follow to maintain and excel in their academic journey. Number 1. Time management. Time management is crucial for success in school. To effectively manage your time, start by creating a study schedule that includes dedicated time for homework, studying, and relaxation. Number 2. Attendance and punctuality. Regular attendance and punctuality are key to academic success. Make sure to set alarms, prepare your belongings the night before, and plan your commute to arrive at school on time. Number 3. Classroom behavior. Respectful behavior and active participation are essential in the classroom. Listen attentively to your teacher, ask questions when you're unsure, and contribute positivity to discussions. Number 4. Homework and assignments. Completing homework and assignment on time is important for reinforcing. Set aside dedicated time for homework, break tasks into manageable chunks, and seek help when needed. Number 5. Respect for authority. Respect for authority figures, such as teachers and administrations, is crucial. Follow school rules, communicate respectfully, and seek guidance or support when facing challenges. Maintaining discipline in school is essential for academic success and personal growth. By practicing time management, respectful authority, and prioritizing your education, you can thrive in your school journey. Remember, discipline isn't just about following rules. It's about developing the skills and mindset needed to achieve your goals.